Racing just is started looking for a blistering speed at the start of the race. And there's the speed I'm talking about, courtesy of Irish. Tope moving upon the outside. Now is the legend. Then comes Peace needed Agent Sarto. Then next online is getting better. Tumultuous. Tabing Ilog is running by the rail. Then comes Yani. No, Yana Colonial Star getting the white strip as they make the first turn is humble submission. Purple Rayon Racing second last, while here and beyond is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch, we have the quick is striding Irish Topi on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 5 lengths lead, getting better in second. And in third comes Tabing Ilog, moving up the legend Colonial Star. Peace needed. This on the outside. The next online is Yani. No, Yana humble submission. Tumultuous Agent Sarto comes next. And Diana entering the home stretch with Irish Tope enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Moving upon the outside now is humble submission. So with 11A, and this one is Peace needed. Yanino Yana. Last 100 meters with Irish Tope. Peace needed. This on the outside. It's now Peace needed. And finally, Peace needed. Second is Yani. No, Yana. Irish Tope. Then comes humble submission. The legend, and getting better.
Your unofficial winner for your race number 3, Bayang Carrista, that's 11A. That's Peace Needed, skippered by Renz Ubaldo. Nasa segundo numero 4, Yanino Yana. Numero 8 na si Irish Topi. Numero 3, Humble Submission, G's na si The Legend. And for your Super 6...